first step towards financial freedom. So do you know yourselves already? Kilala nyo na ba yung sarili niyo? So this is me when I was 8 years old. How's my head like? There. It's tilted, no? So alam na agad, naku bakla to. But that's one of the first secrets I want to share to you on how to be successful with money. Because you really have to be comfortable with who you are. You have to accept who you are. Imagine kung ako, hindi ko tinanggap yung sarili ko. Kunwari, nagpapakalalaki ako. Meron akong girlfriend, meron akong boyfriend. Dalawa, di mas magastos. Okay? But if you're comfortable with your skin, you know who you are, no matter what other people say, wala kang pake. Because you know yourself. Kasi kung meron ka pang gustong patunayan, usually, napapagastos tayo.